Hey everyone, if your Behance is not saving changes in 2026, like edits not updating, project changes disappearing, or save button not working, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix Behance not saving changes step by step. First, open Behance and check your internet connection. Unstable internet can stop your changes from saving properly. Next, refresh the page and log out, then log back in. This resets your session and fixes syncing issues. Now, make sure you are actually clicking the Save or Publish button correctly. Sometimes changes don't apply if you miss this step. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old stored data can block new updates from saving. Next, try using another browser like Chrome or Firefox. Sometimes the issue is browser-related. Now, disable extensions like ad blockers and turn off VPN. These can interfere with saving requests. After that, check your Adobe account sync with Behance. Sync issues can prevent updates from saving. Finally, try editing in incognito mode. This avoids cache and extension conflicts completely. So yeah, that's how you fix Behance not saving changes in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your edits should start saving properly again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more troubleshooting tutorials for beginners. Hey everyone.